Let's see how to reset your iPhone before selling it. The first thing that you have to do is back up your data. So just come here to settings and then you click on your picture in here on iCloud. You see here that you have everything saved to your iCloud. I have some space available. My phone right now is using 10.2 gigabytes of 50 that I have available. If you need more space, you just need to buy more space on the cloud so you can back up later. When you sell your phone, you're bring a new one, you can restore it, right? Here are some apps that are saved into the cloud, and here is your phone. See that it's saved already, it's green, so it means it's saved 17 hours ago. But sometimes you just have new stuff, so what you have to do is just come here, tap on it, and hit backup now. Then you're going to back up everything, then you're good to go. You can do this with your iPhone, with your iPad, and you're good to go to reset. So just come back. And then from here, from the main screen, you can go all the way down. And you're gonna find, now before you go to general, and then you go all the way down. And then you're gonna find here, transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on it. And from here, you come to reset. And then you can reset all settings. And after this, you're good to go. When you press here, reset all settings, it's going to reload your iPhone and it's going to wipe out any information that I have available here. And then your iPhone is ready for selling, right? I hope that helps. That's the way basically you can reset your iPhone before selling it. Leave your comments, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.